This demo will show you how to address the issue of the main unit being unable to power on, or powering on for just a few seconds. The two main causes for these issues are blockage and battery malfunction. First, the dirty water tank may be blocked or full. Remove the dirty water tank, take out the HEPA and floater, and rinse both with water. In the meantime, use the included 3-in-1 cleaning tool to clean the inside of the dirty water tank under running water. Then take out the brush roller cover and rinse with water. The last step is to uninstall the brush roller to remove hair or debris and rinse with water. Use your hand to rotate the roller drive shaft to ensure that it is rotating normally. Clean the brush roller chamber with a damp cloth and air dry for 24 hours. We highly recommend cleaning the HEPA and floater after every use to avoid bad odors developing. Finally, check to ensure that the battery is operating normally. Charge the battery only with the included proprietary Tineco adapter. The blue charging light will light up for more than 10 seconds if the battery is charging properly. Otherwise, the battery is not charging.
Tineco.